Hello guys, welcome back. We're back with Dave and this should be an enjoyable video. In this video we're going to be reinstalling the engine into the frame.
And it's been a long time coming.
Thanks guys, hope you'll enjoy it. See ya.
Alright, so the last major thing we need to do in this timing case area is to get this camshaft nut back on here. And again, as we saw in the previous shot here, we've got this supporting plate here to support this intermediate shaft, so that you can put a little bit more pressure on this nut. There's no spec in the manual that I have, nor any of the ones I found online. I did see on Old Brits, I believe it was 80 to 90 pounds, which is extremely tight. I'm not going to go that tight for now. I'm just going to keep it around 70 and see if I can get that easily. And then before I put the barrel on, and I can still block the engine like it is here, we'll recheck some specs with some folks and see where we need to be at. But for now, let's give this a whirl. That at 70 didn't feel like a lot. I am actually going to go to 90. I thought that was going to be a lot tougher than it was. 80 and 90. Of course, the drawback is if you do it wrong, you can break a camshaft. I'm going to call that good. We know we're at least at 70, probably a smidge more than that. I think we're good there. Let's see here. We can go ahead and remove this now. We've put no pressure on this shaft at this point, thanks to this plate here. I mentioned in a previous video here that I do have an extra timing cover. I just didn't want to use it to cut up because it's a little bit too nice.
Yeah.
But certainly people can do that. All right. As with everything, you need to make sure you've got all the parts out. Do you see the last one? Perfect. Count all of the things as they come out of the engine, and you should be good. So again, this was, what did I say, 4-point-something millimeters. So I was right on it, and I checked it in several areas. So pretty comfortable. You can see you're not deflecting the shaft, just checking it by your hand. So it should be good. Fingers crossed. If it gets too rattly, we know how to fix it.
Yeah.
You pull the cover off, you drop the oil pump seal, and you ruin an engine.
Don't
do that again.
Too soon. Okay. Even after 3 years. Too soon, Dave.
Too soon. So I'm going to feed it to you, and then you can grab this.
Yep.
Oh, mercy, that's so much lighter. You got it?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, well, I guess that empties my push. Can we get...
You want to take it out?
It has to go from your side.
Okay, Dave, sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah. Up slightly.
Which way?
Just up a little. That went. Hasn't gone right through yet.
Nope. I'm just gonna wiggle. Yes, no, not going. Of course, I can't see where it's actually. I got the engine. I got most of the engine here.
Pull it to. That's
back.
it. There. Up a little. That nearly. There.
Okay. What are we stuck on?
Right, this one's good. We're right through now.
Oh yeah.
At the pin at the back.
And then as we lower it down, we'll be able to get the isoelastic.
Perfect.
And then let me see if I can get the back one.
Yes.
All right.
Yep, great. Got it.
So those are all in.
Yep.
So now, where are you at on your front isoelastic?
I'm high, obviously, about.
But is it past the bracket?
It's through the bracket, in the centre of the bracket. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're good. We just need to drop it down with
go ahead and
this
do that.
cradle. So.
And then I'll tell you when we're there with the.
Okay, I'm lowering. We might be wedged.
Well, it would lift. I think you got quite a ways to go. So go ahead. Oh, whoa! Stop right there.
I know.
Wow.
That was lucky.
Sometimes you gotta take a look.
It was a little stuck there, and it just popped down there. So, all right.
So now let's lower that all the way down.
All right, nothing nipping or in the way.
We're just bringing the whole bike down at this point, and we're taking all of the weight off. And
That's it.
engine's in.